thing sounds so good. Give it a little rev again, Sean. Woo. Sounds fire.
We gotta go to the gas station. This thing's very low on gas. I think honestly it's probably like original gas from shipment on this car. It's got 450 miles on it.
Oh wow. I seen what you mean when you was talking about how it feels like it wants to go all the time compared to the Tesla, like the launch and stuff. I can feel it already. The thing feels nice.
Nah, trust me, you didn't feel anything yet. When these cars launch, it gets very aggressive. This is all like smooth, under 3 grand driving right now. Might have hit 4 grand. ...2022 Porsche 911 Turbo S Cabriolet. Still got the little sticker here on it. 452 miles. We just put downpipes on it. Did an ECU tune. Yeah, go take this thing for a little ride. Put it on the dyno after. See how much horsepower it makes. Porsche definitely did a phenomenal job with the 992s.
Yeah, this is really, really nice.
But yeah, it's a phenomenal car. Look at the digital cluster now. I love it. They kept the RPM analog. Keep it old school in the center. And they got the digital clusters on the left and the right. And you got many options to choose from as well. So you got the navigation up. You can show the sport chrono lap time. You can show also when you step on it the proportion of how much power is going to the front or the rear wheels. Tire pressure, performance power bar. This is where I'm gonna keep that performance power bar.
Just like how we like it.
Jesus Christ.
Damn. Sheesh.
See what I mean? Very aggressive.
Yeah.
When you drive this car around normal, you have no idea it's packing that behind it.
Sheesh.
Porsche did a phenomenal job. So definitely one of my favorite cars.
Alright guys, so we're gonna take a little break on the Porsche right now, just to focus on this car right here, the CLA that's on the dyno. It's a pretty cool looking CLA, I'll tell you that. I like all the yellow trim that's in it. Definitely sets the car apart from other CLAs. And the seats in this is really, really nice as well. Now this CLA does have a downpipe and a tune. We're gonna throw our MTech tune on and let's see how much it makes. Comment down below how much you think it's gonna make. Gets up and goes, she moves. Yep.
Much better.
Yeah.
Much better. Oh, a lot of G's.
Yeah. Feels great.
You can feel your face, the pull.
Yeah. Feel all the G's in it, all the G-force.
Yep.
5 minutes later.
Alright, so here we are. We got this 2022 911 Turbo S. We got it all set. We got Soul Performance downpipes on. We also got the tune loaded in the car. We just got the car in dyno mode. We got Johnny back here getting it strapped up. Let's see what this car does. Hopefully it makes around 700 horsepower. It's pretty much what these cars should make with these kind of bolt-ons and tuned into it. Alright, so we were able to make it happen with this 911 Turbo S. We put the downpipes in, we did the ECU tune, we made some adjustments. We were able to get up from 590 stock, and then we ended up making 640, 650 with the base file that was loaded. After making some changes, we were able to get the car up to 704. This thing should feel really good on the street, so we'll go out there on the street, we'll see what this thing feels like, we'll do some launches, we'll do 60 to 130, we'll see what it does.
5 minutes later.
That's aggressive.
This car honestly feels like a blade to me.
Yeah, it does.
You kind of feel some of the similar G-forces you feel in the blade when you launch it. So man, tell me what you guys think in the comments. This freaking car is phenomenal. Love the way this car launches out the hole. Really feel some serious G-forces from this car. Make sure you guys like, comment below, subscribe for more videos, and special shout out to my friend with this car who let us make this phenomenal video and do a bunch of cool stuff. And if you guys stay tuned, he actually has another one that he's going to be bringing to us, and we're probably going to document it the same way. But that's if we get enough subscribers and enough likes and enough comments. So please, please, please make sure you guys comment, like, subscribe, follow us, tell your friends, and we're going to have lots more videos coming from the MTech team.